Hi, this is James from LaserStar, and we want to take a couple of minutes and share with you some of the key features and capabilities of our 3900 series FiberStar CNC welding workstation. This particular unit we have here is set up as an open system, which will make it a Class 4 laser device, but it's also available with an enclosed cover, which would make it a Class 1 device with an automatic door in the front, and some enhanced features where the side covers or side panels can also be removed from the system. This system has a 3-axis coordinated motion system, which benefits from a flat XY table with precision cross rollers, also a Z-axis which is mounted on the XY table with precision brawl screw, which allows you to move the welding head throughout the work envelope of the table itself. Now moving over this way, we'd like to highlight some of the features that are added as accessories to the laser welding head. First, we have a camera system, which allows for projecting the image through the lens, so on a customer supplied monitor, you can actually see exactly what you're welding in real time. That is also advantageous when you're using teach mode. We also offer an integrated beam expander, which allows you to change the spot size for the specific application you have at hand. The focal stick is also positioned here if there needs to be an adjustment to make sure you're the right distance from the weld piece. And this particular unit also has a tilting optic assembly, which allows you to adjust the beam angle to the work part. You can bend it from 90 degrees and change it in upwards of 45 degrees. Okay? Has inert gas nozzles here, exhaust system output here to select any gaseous or ablated materials that could be provided or generated from the welding process itself. The precision ground table has M6 threaded screw holes and also comes with precision bushings so that you can use those if you have a variety of fixtures and you want fast, quick auto alignment. From an operator standpoint, you have a full interface panel here, which allows the user or the operator to take advantage of a number of key features that can be optimized and designed specifically for your applications. And then lastly, we have the computer system with the CPU integrated into the laser, and you have a full Ergotron, very stable device where we're running our LaserStar Motion Effects software. One of the unique features of the LaserStar CNC welding workstation is the ability to be running a program, pause the program, take advantage of our manual joystick, which gives you the ability to precisely jog the welding head to another location if needed, or if for some reason you feel you need to adjust the weld as it relates to the part you have through this integrated joystick, and then continue with your program where you left off. This particular workstation is designed for an operator to stand or sit, whichever is ergonomically comfortable for your particular requirements. In addition to that, we want to make sure the system is always extremely stable and level. So we provide the necessary rollers on the bottom where you can position exactly where you need it, and then drop the leveling feet so that then the machine will be perfectly level and stable for your work environment. Often customers would like to take advantage of a 4th axis, and LaserStar offers a variety of rotational devices. This particular rotational device is an example of a commonly used item with this type of system. This is a high precision rotational device which accepts 3 C collets. There's a drawbar, manual release, and clamp designed. And this particular rotary is extremely high precision with no more than 1/1000th of an inch runout. For more information and technical specifications on how these systems can benefit your unique application, please don't hesitate to contact LaserStar.